What's up, YouTube? This is my second YouTube video on the Trailblazer SS right here in the garage. We just chopped off the muffler to replace it with a spin tech. Right now we're gonna see what it sounds like with no muffler, because that's always cool. Sounds pretty good, kind of like a boat. Not as loud as I thought it would be. All right, we'll see you after the muffler.